melawai.
Great honor.
I'll just meet with my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
How are you, sir? Thank you very much for receiving me.
Mr. President, welcome to the White House.
Thank you. Thank you.
So glad you're here.
Thank you.
Have you sleep. Good?
Good.
This is where the airport is now. So Mr. President, that's the Capitol. Then we're kind of over the mantle.
Kind of you. Great honor.
I'll just meet with my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you?
honored to
How are
meet
you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
How are you, sir? Thank you very much for receiving me.
Yeah, I'll see you. Nice to meet you.
Who's that fellow?
You know, Chief of Protocol.
I'm the Chief of Protocol.
How are you?
The same
I would
Chief.
like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election.
There's 75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States. 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been. And today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen it.